How to create reel on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can make reels on Instagram. So let's get started. So for this process you will have to open your Instagram account. So simply I'm opening the Instagram account, and from here you will have to click on this plus icon just at the bottom center of your screen. Okay, so from here you will have to choose for the option reel. Okay, now from here you can make reel by using camera. So likewise on this camera option. So on this option you will get options to live record a video for reels. Like you can add music for your reel from here, and simply you can add filters from here. Like you can see all the trending filters that are trending on Instagram. Okay, so likewise you can also set the duration for your reels. Like here is the options on this section. So you can simply select the desired duration for your reel, or you can simply add the reel from your gallery. So like I will choose this picture for my reel. So simply you can also make the reels on Instagram by using camera or by selecting from your gallery. So that's all. This is the process to make reels on Instagram. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.